8 blinds in total. Go to channel 0. Hold the down button for a second. Perfect fit blind on the door. Runs a bit slower because it's a smaller motor. It will all stop when I get right down to the bottom. Stop the blinds anywhere you want. Stop. Back up again. Stop them anywhere you want by just pressing the stop button. And then say, okay, I want to 1, 2, 3. Just use the door blind, perfect fit. And bring that up on its own. Stop. Go across blind number 3. And that up. So it all worked individually from one remote up to 15 blinds.